Hey guys, I've got an unboxing from speedcube.com.au and I just want this to get over and done with really quickly. So let's do this. So, oh nice. Got the Wailong GTS and the Bochuang. They're not really new, but they're not too old, so let's just get these. Oh, I was hoping it didn't have the thing. I've got a business card and oh yeah, sticker sheet. I forgot I ordered that for FMC. There's that. Okay, business card. Let's get this over with. Moyu, Wailong GTS. Don't like that white straight away. There's tape. Wow, I'm an idiot. I could just. Okay. Jeez, this is annoying. So, I didn't realise until today, but last time I got a 2 and 4, and this time I got a 3 and 5, and there's all the different colours you can get for it. Oh, it's fast. Really small though. Probably going to be my new main, and I'll try. I just need to pick the other one up. Okay. Cool, I might use that. Bochuang. There's probably going to be plastic on it. Yep. Okay, nice Moyu shades. And I'm borrowing Camo Cube's Yushin at the moment, and also his Along GT. So that's definitely my new main. I'm not sure about this one. It feels nice, but it'll take a bit of breaking in. Anyway, whoops. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video, which will be mains and stuff for nationals, which I'm going to in a couple of weeks. So see you in that video. Bye.